Alright. How's everyone doing? Going to run some errands. Gotta pay my insurance, bro. Got the old lady coming with me. We're gonna go put some money in the bank so I can pay insurance and get some coffee. Haven't had none yet this morning. I am in desperate need of coffee. Well, that was weird. But yeah, there you go. Making me pay. In California, you gotta pay in advance for your insurance now, I guess. So I gotta go pay like $18.80 up front for the whole year to get full coverage for her. Get her some coffee. Maybe go get her clean. She's a dirty birdie, and I love them dirty. I know how you boys like them sloppy. What's up, baby? Look how dirty she is. Allow me to do it for you, lady. Alright, hop on, sweetheart. Yes. Whoa. You're not used to being on a bike. When's the last time you rode? No, really? It can't be when we went out of town. I think we rode a little bit afterwards. That's like close to a year that you've been off the bike. It's because we always like to take the bull and you haven't been able to. Hold on, Nico's calling me. Answer. Hello? Slug bug. Yeah, so, no, thanks for letting me know. I'm heading over to the bank right now. Then I'm gonna go grab some coffee with the old lady. I'll give you a call here in a minute.
Right now?
Alright, later, Doc. Hello? You can hear me, babe? He said that the O2 sensor on his, so when he went off-roading, when that car cut us off, I guess the O2 sensor snapped off on the header, so he has to replace the header, so it's not that big of a deal. I mean, obviously he shouldn't be riding it, but he could spend like $400, $500 and get it fixed, or get new headers put on. It's so weird, I haven't ridden with anybody on the back in fucking, since you. The air feels nice, it's a little bit crisp, but it feels good. Remember how pissed off we were the first time that we used the headsets because of how loud the other exhaust was? We're so frustrated and so mad. We're like yelling at each other, remember? Yeah. You're using it wrong. No, I'm using it right, but I can't even fucking hear you. I don't remember what we changed. We did all the different microphones. I can't remember what setting we fixed or what we did, but we made it work. I'm hoping she's not going to be at lunch. I'm hoping once we get the money and I call the insurance, she won't be at lunch. I'm hoping that the insurance lady's not going to be at lunch. Oh shit, I didn't bring the thing to get the phone number for her. Fuck. I didn't bring the phone number for Tanya to call her back. Yeah, that's true. Damn it, I forgot I needed to bring that paper. Maybe I could just try calling Progressive and see what they say. I know her name was Tanya, so maybe I get in touch with her. The seat's on. I only did that once, I'll never do that again. Alrighty. Ah, coffee was good. Bakersfield Roasting Company. It's a non-profit here, and they do work with like sex traffickers. But we're not. Wait, they don't do work. Mobile phone 1 connected. They don't do work with sex traffickers. They do work to try to save women who have been trafficked sexually. I hope they don't do work with sex traffickers, because then if that's what they do, then I'm really mixed up and I shouldn't be eating coffee here. But yeah, coffee was good. Thanks to this lovely lady. If it wasn't for her, I wouldn't have insurance on this bike. She just paid $1,800 for the insurance, and she is the best. Find you a woman like that who not only tells you to buy expensive motorcycles, but pays the insurance. I just looked like a stud right now. Can't remember what button it is. What is it? What was it? Huh. You can hop on. Hop on this dick, she says. Just kicked my foot out of the way. You ready, Freddy? Want to cruise around or you want to go home? Take the long way home? I was so stressed out trying to get this insurance taken care of and getting the money together and putting it in the bank and taking care of it. And you know, if you guys could just like and subscribe out there, you know, all you gotta do, it don't cost you nothing. It might help me out. Maybe I can get this damn thing monetized and make a little bit of money, pay for my insurance. That would be a blessing. Pay for my tires and insurance? Jeez! Save me so much money. Well, yeah, I got a bad bitch on a bad bike. I got 2 bad bitches right here. What do you want to be called? I thought that was a compliment these days. Okay, I got 2 high-valued females right here. What the fuck do you want to be called? Alright, daddy. I wonder how nice your ass looks on this bike from the back. I bet you it looks good. I don't know why you don't wear your gloves. Can't find them, huh? We need to get you a pair like this. I would give you these ones, but I really like the colorway. And they don't make these anymore. I know they're built. It's not the best brand, but I really like the red, white, and blue. I really like that color. There's a bunch of different brands online that makes gloves like this, like Thrashin'. Like, there's so many different ones. Like, there's so many different options and styles you can do. I hate how that house, like, there's no windows back there. Isn't that crazy? I hate that. No, that's how it comes. When I see a house, and it's always 2-story houses, 2-story houses always have a side that never have any windows on it. I don't know why, and I hate it. I think houses should have windows on every side of the house. Like, if you have a wall, there should be a window there. I know it costs more in manufacturing to put windows in. It costs more in lumber. It costs more in the window itself. But, like, you should have a window on every, you know. If you have that was a huge wall with no windows. Should I park it by the door like I usually do? Keep it safe. Yeah, it's been a while since I've parked up here. It's been a while since bike life. Alright, baby. Hop off. Alright, guys. Thanks for coming along and doing absolutely nothing. I gotta pick up these piles and finish all this shit. We'll catch you guys next time. Peace.